The spices you use can be mixed into the drink, or they can be sprinkled on top when you get through. The traditional spice would be the cumin, which is traditionally roasted and then ground. Cumin has a nice sharp taste and odor, and as you can see, because of the seeds, you would have to grind them before you could use them for a drink. Saffron has also been used in the past, but as I mentioned before, it's such an expensive herb or spice. It's either one. It's an herb because it's the pistils from the fall crocus, and you have to pick each little pistil from the flower to get the saffron. Now, to get the flavor of saffron, you would either dip it in lemon juice and then crush it with a mortar and pestle, and that will release the taste. Cardamom has a very pungent taste and odor, and it will contrast very nicely with the mango we're going to be using. The nutmeg is an interesting spice. It's a nut. It's usually traditionally used in eggnog. You can either grate it like so, and you get little bits like that, or you can just kind of shave it, which is a little bit harder to do, but will also give you larger little pieces. We're not going to be using the nutmeg today, but I just wanted to show you. We also can use as a garnishing on top of the drink. You can use slivered almonds, or you can use any other nuts. Pistachios would be good. Since we live in Hawaii and we have macadamia nuts here, I chose macadamia nuts. These have been roasted and they have been ground to just sprinkle on the drink.